bus.
Hi. Under the bus. Not that damn big. Maybe 9/16. It's gotta be long. Here we go. $13 It's hard to get to these ones. There we go.
Woo! First one! Good job, guys.
Some lube. You gotta lube it up. Get one. Life rules. So he's gonna like lift it up with the pry bar as he's releasing to give it pressure on the bolt so that it'll pull out without me having to try to get something on it because I'm too fat. Because YOLO. Alright, well, cool. We can bleep out whatever we want.
So you're gonna try and get under that little bracket?
While you're trying to rip it thing, so hold on, let me get a better angle. I go underneath the bus. So
That one's like, I don't even know.
I know, I stripped it out.
Keep going.
Hold on, let me get it in here. Watch out.
Gonna light me on fire, y'all. Do you need gloves, honey? Are you gonna get like flash burn?
No, I need glasses way before I'd need gloves.
Yeah, I think you need both.
Oh.
The sad thing is we have access to both and we're not using any. Oh my gosh, is that it?
No, I need to get the bottom part.
Yeah, but the seat,
Yeah,
it's
seat's-
gone.
Seat's
Yay!
off.
Oh, we lost a wheel.
My wheel. That's the first wheel I've ever broke. Ever. We do need to buy some.
Okay, deal.
I've got a sanding wheel. Lied, I got 3.
Let's rock and roll.
Look, I got a brush addition that we're gonna add on later. That's to scrub the floor, really.
weird just hearing a voice and not seeing a face. So now you know what I look like. Alright. Cool, well, looks like we've got part of it out. It's hard work, guys. To all of you that are doing this, super duper proud of you.
We're gonna wrap it up for today. We got 2 more seats out. This one, this one. Guys, it's not easy to take the seats out of a bus, but it can be done alone from the top of the bus if you use the right tools and you're not afraid to use them. Hopefully this is helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Well, I've got all the seats out. They're all loaded in the trailer. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go make some money off these seats. We're gonna take them in and get to a recycling place so that they can, well, they like metal. They'll pay us for it. Why not? Let's do it. Don't we seem pretty far away
Yes.
right now? Like you're over there.
Look what
I'm
he's
over
done.
here.
Look what he's done, guys. Yay!
Well, the seats are out, guys.
Seats are out.
And
That's a bedroom.
that is not a bedroom.
It's not a bedroom. No. But right on.
That's a cage
This is
for
cool.
a gremlin.
Okay, so people do say that it looks pretty huge. It looks okay. I mean, it's weird that you can fit all the stuff that people fit in these. And also, bus seats are hard to remove, and also, smells really bad.
You know what we're gonna do about that?
What?
We're gonna pick up the floor and we're gonna seal it with some kind of like Rust-Oleum paint, and that's gonna kill a lot of the smell.
And you know what? I bet that's not as easy as YouTubers make it look either.